Okay.
Well, hello everybody, and welcome to another video. Welcome to another video. My name is Babes. If you're new here, hi. I always do like recipes and videos that are sugar-free, oil-free, healthy versions of food that I like or that I want to try, and also taste tests. So if that's your jam, then subscribe, give it a like, and let's start. It's not though, it's grey. If you know that song, you speak my language, because Doraemon was just everything while I was growing up. Like, it was on Channel 8 every single day. Loved it. And then they ruined it when they did a new version. Today, you probably have seen the viral TikTok video of cloud bread. So, we're making that. Because it looks really cool, because I want to do it, but sugar-free, because all the versions that I've seen have sugar. So obviously we're gonna substitute it with stevia. No, I think I have erythritol, and we're gonna make 3 versions. In the videos that I've seen, people when they reviewed it, they say that yeah, it works, but it tastes awful. This one is actually gonna taste nice. The first one is gonna be ube, because I thought that it's gonna look cool if it's purple. Vanilla is just too boring for this, you know what I mean? We try to reinvent it. Second one, matcha, because green also looks cool. And I have matcha pots that are like blue flavors. This one, that is from Teapix and is with cocoa powder, so that'll be cool. And the last one is gonna be a savory one, because you have to have balance. First, we're gonna make the base. The base for all is the same, and then you add the flavors. Where's my erythritol? Here we go. If you have stevia, use stevia, or Splenda, or sucralose, or if you wanna use sugar, use sugar. But I mean, come on, don't use sugar. Si miras hacia arriba, verás el cielo azul. So you need 3 egg whites. I need to preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Sorry to throw the yolk, but I don't want to eat this yolk, so sorry not to. Ah! Use your mixer to beat this until it's fluffy and like mixed.
This cut is fresh.
Now that it's like this, we are gonna add 30 grams of the erythritol. This is really dusty. 30 grams. Ooh, and 30 grams of rice flour. Rice flour or cornstarch. Oh, it wasn't 30, it was 10. Was it 10? 10 grams of cornstarch, yes, I remember. Until you can put it upside down and it doesn't fall. How cool is this? Now here comes the creative part. Colors, flavors, and stuff. So I divided it into 3 parts. This one is gonna be the matcha one, because I want to mix it in with the mixer. This one is gonna be the ube, because since it's flavoring, I don't want to over mix it, and this one is gonna be the savory one. So you put your ube flavoring, or the coloring if you want coloring. This thing is so strong. It just dyes everything so much. And obviously you don't want to over mix it, because if you over mix it, then it won't stay once you're baking it. Can it taste raw like that? It already tastes nice, actually. Happy with that. I hate when that happens. I ripped up the thingy, but it didn't open it, so now I have to rip it somewhere else. Thank you so much, you're not needed anymore. Neither are you. Do you clean while you do stuff, or do you clean after you've done the stuff? Because I like to do it while I'm doing stuff, so later I don't like have a mess to clean. So I'm gonna put the matcha in. I'm gonna put half of it, just in case, you know. I don't want to be jumping around. Oh, put it all in. I actually do like matcha. I have to be on a mood for it. Like, I have to be craving matcha because it's not the best experience, to be honest. I don't put milk in coffee, but I do put a little bit of milk in matcha. Not always, but most of the times. Matcha is like milky, more milky, meant to be with milk, I think. Obviously water and milk, not just milk, because then it just, I don't like the taste of just milk. Can you blend the matcha? I like that too. Finally, in the savory one, first of all, I need to add salt. And second of all, I kind of want to do it the Marmite. I know, people have mixed opinions about Marmite and they don't like it, but I do. I really like Marmite. Well, if you don't like it, you can change it, do it something else. I'll spoke you through it for the something else too. I'm gonna add some paprika, that's for everyone, even if you don't like Marmite. Some parsley, that's basis for everything. Some salt, if you don't put salt, it's gonna be sweet, so you don't want that, do you? I know what I want to put. I got these food flavorings that are like, this one is for example bacon. This focuses, it's not focusing. Pocket. This one is like bacon flavor, and they don't have colors. Like, they have really low colors because they're just basically salt, yeast, dry herbs, spices, vegetable powders, natural flavors, smoke flavors, and food acid. So I'm gonna put that because it tastes nice. It smells nice. And I think that will be it, actually. Instead of the Marmite. I don't understand why they don't like it. I like Marmite. And I don't just put like a tiny little bit. I saw a TikTok video of one of the YouTubers that I like, Crackle, and she was like, you don't like Marmite because you're putting too much. It's just supposed to be like a little spread instead of 1 teaspoon. And I'm like, I put a teaspoon. Leave it, love it. And I'm not even English. There we go, number 1, number 2, and number 3. And now you bake this for 20 minutes. See you on the other side. Do you get the reference?
See you on the other side.
I kind of went to town with them and I decided to top them. This one I put dulce de leche and popped amaranth. This one I kind of made a sandwich with it and put like, yes, I put Marmite. And ham and cheese. And this one I just topped it with some hazelnut spread and sprinkles. And I already tried a little bit of the savory one because it got stuck in the foil. So I know that one is actually so good already. Here's the savory one again. That's actually so nice. That powder is everything. Looks like this. Can you see? I'm trying to show you how it looks the inside. Why my camera is not focusing today? At all, but yeah.